Welcome to Prosperous Real Estate Investors Network. More information about our real estate investment opportunities, education, and networking opportunities could be found on our website at cashflowbox.com. You're about to discover a very simple yet practical and a very unique strategy for investing in real estate during the downturn in housing market. Please remember, most money is always made in the down market. A word of caution, please put away your wallets and checkbooks. You will not be asked to purchase any real estate investment program, education program, or mentorship during or after this presentation at any time. So sit back, relax, and learn how you can make a smart decision every time you purchase an income property by utilizing a very simple strategy. So let's first consider why the old school style of investing is so out of fashion. So have you ever heard the term house rich and cash poor? In today's ongoing global economic crisis, folks, you need to be cash liquid. By putting 20, 30, 40, or 50% capital as a down payment on a property is really crazy, especially when it's considered a debt equity. Those good old days are gone when you could pull the equity out of the property in a shape of a HELOC loan. If you haven't heard, most banks are not giving any more HELOC loans. They're even canceling the existing HELOC loans on the property. Another problem with the traditional ways of investing is that it tells you to stick with your own neighborhood or invest in the area that you live in. See, we tell you live where you want, but invest where it makes most financial sense. If you are living in areas in the United States today where the market is upside down, it does not make any financial sense to invest. And most of you, if you own a property that is upside down, why would you be buying another property in that area? So many real estate investment so-called gurus are coaching people that they need to be spending their weekends fixing up toilets and rehabbing the poor properties. You cannot be the jack of all trades and master of none. You need to be the master of the art of investing, not fixing toilets. Again, another issue with the traditional way of investing, it is so focused on appreciation only. There are a lot of books written that are to talk about traditional investing, that talk about buying properties that basically cover the debt service and expenses and count on future appreciation or equity growth for making the capital gains of the profits. That is another big reason why the traditional ways of investing are not working today. These days, real estate investors are more focused on cash flow rather than the portfolio approach. Today it's about the cash value of your portfolio, not about the dollar value of your portfolio. The difference is that it used to be where a real estate investor would say that I am sitting on a $2 million real estate investment portfolio. But when you talk to them about the cash flow, it would be negative cash flow. So again, those days are gone. The approach has shifted to cash flow. Think positive cash flow, net operating income, in annual cash and cash return. We want you to remember these 5 letters, SMART, and seek them in every real estate investment opportunity that you are considering. If investment opportunities that you're considering lack these 5 letters, our advice to simply move on. The S stands for strong equity position. We recommend that you only consider those investment properties that offer 20% or more of instant equity. And we are talking about the instant equity based on today's market value, not what this property used to sell for before. Do not turn this presentation off because it sounds like one of those no money down programs. Folks, today you can utilize the debt equity in the property and still get conventional financing and also non-conventional financing without using any of your money. Is it too good to be true? This is not the case. We invite you to visit our website at cashflowbox.com and look at the investment opportunities on the website and find out for yourself how you can purchase properties through our system without using any of your money. A stands for appreciation factor. Focus on the markets that are not declining. Focus on the markets where the real estate is stable, even appreciating. Unlike what the media makes you believe, that the real estate market all over the nation is down, that's not the case. There are still areas in the United States where real estate markets are actually appreciating. One word of caution: avoid the markets where there is more than 8% annual appreciation. Those areas are said and done. You need to focus on the real estate markets where the appreciation is between 2 and 4%. Don't invest in vacant properties. Just simply acquiring a property that is vacant and sitting on it for 60 to 90 days can very well eat up your full annual positive cash flow. We recommend that you make it a contingency of closing of escrow, that the seller places a tenant in the property prior to the close of escrow. A word of advice for the wise: when you're purchasing properties out of state, please don't even think of managing them yourself. Utilize professional management companies that are local. It will save you from a lot of headaches, and it will be a lot more beneficial for you in the long run. Now you may be thinking that this could be all impossible. How can you have all these 5 conduits in a certain one property? Folks, again, please visit our website at cashflowbox.com and find out for yourself. We actually have investment opportunities where all these 5 conduits are in place. The question is, how can you profit from the real estate slump today? And it starts with education. The best thing in life are free. Avoid paying a lot of money for real estate investment education. There's a lot of scams out there. Websites like ours that provide you with free education and without any strings attached. So seek education, learn what's working in today's market, and also learn what's not working in today's market. Set goals. Decide on how much positive cash you need to generate, but be realistic. Don't live in a fantasy land. Start putting your goals down on a piece of paper. Develop a roadmap. Identify the hurdles. Realize your strengths and set a timeline of when you're going to achieve your goals. Work on the funding plan. Ask these questions. Do you have to seek conventional financing or non-conventional financing? Traditional bank loans versus private money or hard money. By the way, if you're working with us and you're investing in the opportunities that we present to you, we already have the lending side covered for you. We have financing in line for you. Please check these properties out on our website at cashflowbox.com. Education without action will net you nothing. Zero. Decide today. Get off the fence. You cannot generate any positive cash flow or prosper in life by just listening to a presentation after presentation.